everyone, this is Stacy in Japan, and you are witnessing me tasting green bananas for the first time in over a year. Can you believe it? Oh, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, by the way, these bananas are from the Philippines. Okay, and I had to pay quite a lot to be able to taste them. So I really hope they're delicious. Let's see. They're not like back home, but these are totally different type of bananas. But oh, it is so good. It's so good to be able to taste green bananas, even though I had to pay an arm and a leg, literally, for them. Okay, a quick look in the pot at what these green bananas look like. They are very short. If you want to see more pictures, please just hop over to my blog, Demois Journeys, to see pictures of these really short, stumpy bananas. And maybe you can tell me the name of these bananas. If you're from the Philippines, that would be great. Please look. Ooh, yes. So thank you for watching this very short, quick video. And this is Stacy in Japan. See you next time. Bye.